Hello everyone, here I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you my work area. So it's a balcony, or how you say it in English. I'm living in a flat apartment, so I'm doing what I can here with the space I have. It's pretty generous. I think it's about 10 meters long by 3 meters. So let me show you what I have here. So here on the left side I have a storage shed. Here I have stored tools and parts that I use for electronics projects. Drill, some electronic parts, connectors, transistors, coils, and so on. Sorry for the darkness, it's getting dark here. So here it's a scrap storage area. Here is you can see some bits of copper, some capacitors, some flat cable, connectors. Here are some magnets, hard drive and microwave magnets. So here is the aluminum, down here some steel, also here steel. Here it's storage area. Here is my door, that's my apartment. So when I'm coming from the door, I'm just toasting here the e-waste. So here is the bin that waits for scrapping. So here is a motherboard and all bits and pieces, like this motor. The copper has to be taken out. So yeah, here is all my copper. You can see it from TV yokes and degaussing cable and so on. Bucket of number 1 copper wire, couple of PCs. Also here's my workbench. So a standard PC desk, so it's what I have now. So I made these shelves, and here I have my tools. Yep, and here I have small containers for when I'm scrapping and I want to take out a BGA chip or IC chip. Also crystal oscillators. Yeah, so this is where I'm taking apart stuff. Underneath some steel and big pieces of metal. And here is where I'm storing the final products. Well, the PCBs. So here it's high grade. a telecom kind of board. So this bag is full. I have here some motherboards from old PCs. I'm keeping them separate because I have a good price for them. Also there, PCBs. Here are some batteries. Here hard drives. Aluminum heat sinks. I don't know if you can see it. Aluminum heat sinks. Here, this bag is full of plastics. This sack here is copper wire, low grade. So let me show you real quick. Stuff like headphones and this kind of wire. It's full. I think about 10 kilos. Here another bag of steel, also down there. Couple of TVs, one, two, three, four TVs. They are scrapped out. They will go to the recycling center. So yeah, this is my work area. I'm trying constantly to keep things in order. So, but yeah, this is it. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you next time.